Quiero otro ahí. Mapa allá arriba.
Ladies and gentlemen, trouble! Oh, she is awfully cute. I think we're going to have to do that again. Trouble, some more treats for you. There we go. Boing, 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 all the way across. Ladies and gentlemen, trouble! This little guy is Congo. He is an African great parrot. These birds come down the Congo River basins of Africa. So before we get started, I have to make sure you understand, these birds, highly intelligent, extremely social. They also tend to be a wee bit on the playful side, so if anytime he does something you like what he does, please let him know, because he's trying to get a reaction out of you. He loves applause and laughter, don't hold back. He doesn't care what I think. It's all about your attention. All right, Congo, I have my microphone, buddy, but do a mic test for me. Do test 1, 2? So these birds are well known for their ability to talk. So really what they do is mimic. They mimic the sounds that they hear in their environment on a daily basis. Congo's environment is their office backstage, so he mimics office sounds. And you know how that goes. It's things like the telephone. Oh. I got to answer phone that never rang all the time. Congo, I think they like that one. Let's give them some more, okay? Okay. Let's make sure he's serious about that. Really? Okay. That's what I thought. We have a water cooler backstage. This one's my personal favorite. Our water cooler makes the sound of bubbles. Wow, Congo, this is a good crowd, little man. They think you're cute. All right, so you heard the office phone, but our phone backstage is like 30 years old. In its modern times, he's a hip and dapper little dude. He carries his own cell. There's just no volume control button. Well, this is a lot of fun, but we're going to get serious for 1 second and talk about conservation, because it is a big part of who we are and what we do here at the safari park. And Congo feels that when it comes to conservation, each and every one of us should take charge. Seriously, whenever I happen to bring it up, he gets really excited. That's as excited as he can show you. We want to take this time to say thank you to all of you who have joined us today. Those of you who are members, donors, or even if you've come through our front gates for the first time just today, you're supporting our conservation efforts, which are not just here, but around the world. And Congo has a special way of saying thank you. A kiss. You see, habitat destruction affects so many things before you begin. Elephants, giraffes, that's what they sound like. Chimpanzees, rhinos, and you know it's not just about the well-known popular animals. It can be something small and obscure that's still crucial to the environment, of course, like some sort of teeny tiny South American endangered frog. That was supposed to be a frog. It was like a squish frog. Let's just give him that one. One thing that hits close now for Congo is the illegal smuggling or poaching of these birds into our very own pet trade. It has dramatically affected the wild African gray parrot population. Congo here is familiar with this very serious problem. He has summed up the whole issue with one single expression, and we're going to share it with you right now. All right, Congo, serious topic. You on the floor. Tell everybody out there, what are your feelings on poachers? Nobody likes a poacher. Wow, Congo, did you hear that? Dude, they think you're funny. And he cracks us all too. Folks, thank you so much for joining us here today. It's really cool to share with you next. So Congo and I are going to head backstage ourselves, but not before he politely says, bye-bye. Bye. Very nice. Thank you, everyone. She's our female secretary bird. And as she makes her way to stage, she's going to showcase a beautiful pair of wings. She's fully capable of flight. However, why fly in the hot sun of Africa when you stand taller than the grasses around you?
this bird can have even venomous snakes. For here we spent its full size. It's got some Now this is one of the largest and heaviest flying birds in the world. Or higher than that, and why not? That enormous scavenger, which means as long as you look alive and you have a pulse,
水果为什么要压死？
比较好吃啊。That giant is hot.
这是谁来的？哇，这只谁？猫头鹰是不是？
Ladies and gentlemen, Orion. And that was our show. I want to thank you so much for joining us here in our freaking Flyer Show.